today's video, let's make celery and grape juice and explore the health benefits of it.
What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Janelle. If you are new, hey girl, we're just gonna be juicing today. I love this juice. I just made it 2-3 days ago. Girl, it's all gone now. I'm gonna tell you all the benefits as I juice because obviously you're not gonna be able to hear me. I'm mainly drinking this juice for clear skin. This, I notice when I drink plain celery juice, it really helps a lot with my skin overnight. So I decided to mix it with some green grapes because I don't like the way celery juice tastes, but why not get two different benefits at once? So, and I will say, last time I made this juice, I used 75% of these. So I got 2 of these boxes of grapes and I put like 75% in the juice, and then I did 3 bags of celery. But now we're doing more celery, less grapes. But that one, I love sugar. It was so sweet. It was like, it literally diminished how I feel about celery. Like, didn't even taste it. But it was still a lot of celery in there though. So yeah, without further ado, let's just do a little compilation. I'm gonna put some music on. If y'all don't know about the Christian playlist, go watch it, girl. What? If you're new here, again, I talk everything faith, fashion, fitness, beauty, health, lifestyle. So now we're doing a health and wellness video today, and I hope you like it. So yeah, what do we want to listen to today?
So let's get into these celery benefits. It's really great for hydration and electrolyte balance. It's anti-inflammatory properties, supports digestion and gut health, which is really good. When you drink it in the morning on an empty stomach, you get the most benefits out of it. And it's really good for detoxing and liver health. It aids in lowering blood pressure and supports weight loss and metabolism. And like I said, my reasoning for using it is to boost skin health. So it has a lot of vitamin C and antioxidants that can promote collagen production and reduce skin aging. So it gives you that beautiful glow. It improves your immune system. It alkalizes the body by balancing out the pH levels. And it may support brain health, but you do some more research because, you know. Oops, not the overflow. Oops. So next we have the green grapes, which I'm really excited about because they taste so good. So the benefits of this is that it's a powerful antioxidant boost. It supports your heart health and circulation. It contains potassium, which also aids in regulating blood pressure and helps improve blood circulation, period. And you have hydration as well. So this is a great hydrating drink. Mixing celery and grapes together, you're going to be hydrated. And I've really truly experienced that because I drank it for like a whole week and a half and I'm always dehydrated. So this is great. And it's a natural energy boost. And I also felt that too. It was really, really good. It strengthens immunity, supports digestion and gut health also. Skin glow. Anti-aging benefits in both of these is crazy. This is also really good for brain health and cognitive function. So eat green grapes, y'all. It detoxes and it's great for kidney health and reduces inflammation such as like arthritis and joint pain, which is really good since I'm a braider. And it says that it may help with weight management. It says that the natural sweetness helps curb your sugar cravings, which is really good for me because your girl love a latte every morning.
Alright, y'all, we finished juicing. It looks beautiful. Like, I've never been so obsessed with a green juice. Now we're gonna taste test. I'm gonna give y'all an honest review on how this one tastes because it's a little different than the last one I made. Look at that. So pretty. This is a 32-ounce mason jar. All the fruits that I just showed you filled up this jar pretty much. It's not all the way filled, but you could fill it up if you want like the extra waste and not the juice. There's still a bit of waste in here, but that's okay because it's healthy. So yeah, also I got these tops from Amazon, so you can get them on my Amazon storefront. I I find that the metal ones, they rest a lot more. So this one is doing me real good. Okay, this is heavy. Let me hurry up and drink it. 2 hands. Still so good. Yeah. I'm gonna drink the whole thing. Hold on, wait a minute. Alright, y'all, if you're looking for a really extra sweet taste, if you have a sweet tooth kind of thing, I would do 2 boxes of those green grapes. I didn't know that green grapes were sweet. I thought they were sour. But those ones are really sweet. I got them from Ralph's. Some regular green grapes, like, I don't know. You're gonna use 2 boxes of those green grapes, and then you're gonna go ahead and use 3 bags of celery. That's gonna also fill you up to 32 ounces. She'll last you, if one person, she'll last you at least for 5 days, but through 2 people, it may be gone in 2, it may be gone in 3. You never know. So, yeah, that's it for this video. Remember, I do a bunch of things regarding faith, fitness, fashion, lifestyle, health, beauty, wellness, hair, everything. It doesn't matter what it is. It's my life, so I'm gonna showcase it to y'all. So, yeah. I hope to see y'all in the next one. Bye!
The sun is shining, it's a new day.